Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you on how to open a club and set up your club on the Niki Life app. All you need to do is to quickly follow the steps outlined in this tutorial to open your own club on Niki Life. So you can see the Niki Life app on my screen. If I tap on that, it will launch us into the Niki Life app. The next thing we need to do is to navigate to the button below our screen. You can see the club button. Just follow the arrow direction. The middle on the button is the club. So once you tap on that, it will take us into the club window. Once we are here, you can see the advert sliding requesting you to select a club and to join a club. However, to open a club, all you need to do is to look below your screen on the lower right side. You're going to see that icon where the arrow is pointing. All you need to do is to tap on that icon. When you tap on it, it's going to take you to the club creation page. All you need to do from this point is to create club. So to create your club, you must have certain information available. One is the club name you want to bear on the app, and secondly, you need to have an avatar that you need to upload as part of the requirement to start up a club. So you can use a logo or you can use your photo. However, sometimes logos are rejected. I will appreciate if you are opening the club, please make a logo that has your face so that your club will be accepted. So I will just tap on the upload avatar spot. It will take us to our phone gallery. I just want to select any photo so I can upload it. So I'm just going to attach this and I'm just going to say set. So now we have attached, a logo as our avatar. So all you need to do is to enter the club name. So I'll just say UC as the club name. And once you're done imputing these two information, all you want to do is to tap on where it says create club. When you tap on create club, automatically it processes and you can see the message telling us that congratulations on successfully creating the UC club. Go and invite friends. Let's chat together. So let's just go back. You'll see once you open the club, you're going to see the view walkthrough. This is one information that's going to be sent to you. This enables you to be able to have a club walkthrough on what is a club and how the club functions. All the information are right there listed for you. You can read all the detailed information regarding your club. So I just want to go out of this page and let's come back to our club platform. So you can see our club name. You can also see where it says daily reward. So if you tap on that daily reward, it will take you to where you have your club task. So you can see all your club tasks listed on the screen. So the next thing you want to do is to start inviting people to join your club. You can also see below where it says make friends, you can see invite club. So once you tap on that, you can select on anyone who is your friend to join your club. So this is the end of this tutorial. This is only focusing on how to create a club. I believe this video has been valuable to you. Do not forget to hit the subscription button. Subscribe to this channel for more quick tutorials like this. I will see you on my next video.
So smart, not just hard. Build your dream, take it far. Click that link, don't be late. Join me now, let's elevate. UCeeHaven, yeah, we on the grind. Online money.